How to make great photos on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can upload or make great photos on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Play Store in your device and you have to install an application. Tap on the search bar. Now search for GreetMaker Instagram. After that, you could install this application, that is GreetMaker, then tap on install. Once the installation is complete, open up the application and wait for a while until it gets loaded in your device. You can allow the permission and here tap on GreetMaker. Tap on skip. Now select the image that you want to add as greet on your Instagram. So once you land on this interface, now you could select the ratio, whether you want to go 3:4 or 3:5. But here we will get with 3:3. And once you're done with that, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. So here you can see now there are numbers on different part of this image, or it is displayed as a grid. Now you could tap on the photos in order of their numbers to post to your Instagram feed. First of all, go with the first one and here select your Instagram feed. That will directly take you to the Instagram. Here tap on next and now you could share it. Tap on not now. Now this part has been posted. Again, you have to repeat the same steps for all of this grid here. Now go with the second one and again repeat the same steps. So complete the same steps for all of the pictures here. And once you're done with all of them, if you go back to your Instagram profile, you will have your complete grid photos on your profile. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.